Samsung's photo remaster knows what this baby pic is missing: teeth. Wow. A reader wrote in to tell us about their experience with Samsung Gallery's remaster feature, but it did not go well. Recently caught some flack after widespread reports that its camera software fakes zoom pictures of the moon. Oh, right. That story. A writer wrote in Wednesday to tell The Verge that the software is adding teeth to pictures of their 7-month-old daughter? What? Weird. Okay, we're just watching it happen now. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, my goodness.
It thinks that the gums, is that the gums or the tongue, is teeth. This is how gross remastering is on the S23 Ultra. AI casually adding teeth to a 7-month-old baby. No one asked for this.
Whoa.
Yeah, stuff is getting weird, dude. AI is making everything weird. And obviously, in this case, you can turn this off. Normally, you're going to use it if you have blurry sections or you want to delete some certain aspect. But if you got it in full-on auto mode, out of control.
Yeah.
The reader, it's multiple photos. The reader also sent a video of the remaster feature turning their daughter's tongue into teeth in another picture, which makes it seem like it's not a one-off glitch. Here we go again. Well, yeah, it doesn't know what's going on. It's guessing. It's guessing about what's there and what's missing, and probably don't remaster. Probably don't
For the time being.
Probably don't remaster.
If you want to add teeth.
Probably don't remaster. But you know me, I was already like this with beauty modes and stuff. I guess the difference here is the AI aspect. It's really analyzing and guessing in a different way.
Uh-huh.
But that is a weird feeling. Yeah. Particularly on a loved one. You see it like being interpreted incorrectly and like changing the eyes and you're just like, stop. I know this person in this case is playing around with the feature.
Yeah.
But stop. FTC wants to ban those tough to cancel gym and cable subscriptions. Yep, do it. Do it. Ban it. Good Lord. Those type of subscriptions, they're like, wow, before you go. Proposed click to cancel rule would require companies to let you cancel a membership in as many steps as it takes to sign up. Beautiful. Yep, do it. Done. You have my support. Do it. I'm sorry, you're going to have to come in, or I'm sorry, you're going to have to give us a call at this 1-800 number and wait for 3 hours.
I hate the calling.
No.
Because it's so binary.
No, dude. Fitness sometimes is going into the club. Not even over the phone.
In some ways, I kind of prefer that. Because at least you can talk to someone.
No, you know the reason they're doing it is because they want to persuade you not to do it. They want to, in person, apply pressure to you.
I get another full year.
Yes.
But the phone, to me, I think is the worst. Because it's literally just waiting and then, like, the chance of it hanging up. And that's, like, it's so binary that way. It sucks. And they kind of, like, pull you to, like, different departments and, like, just, like, try to gather more information, and it's just like an entire waste of time. Terrible.
Of course, they have no interest, and the reason they put you on the phone is because they want to send you to retention, and retention wants to sit there and go, "It's the best deal of your life."
Yeah.
And then you got to go, "No, it's okay," and they're like,
"Let me just transfer you real quick. Let me talk to my supervisor."
Wait a second. You said what? I'll talk to my manager. He come back. $2. Give us $2.
Let me just put you on hold real quick.
Give us $2. You're like, excuse me, I was paying $200. You want to give it to me for $2? No, actually, you know what? I'm still going to cancel. What? It's free. You understand? It's free. Just stay here. It's not even $2. We're down to free. Nah, you know what? I'm good. Yeah. I'm done. I don't want it for free. Before you know it, they're paying you. We will pay you to keep our service active. Subscriber base. Companies should not be able to manipulate consumers into paying for subscriptions that they don't want. We get countless complaints about this. Yeah, okay, do it. I'm not one to say like FTC do this, do that, but this one you can do. You can do.
Can do.